like it's not happening tonight.
No.
So we're gonna head to Radio Bar, which we do know is also it's a bar in Tirana, Albania, and it's not explicitly gay, but it's gay friendly. So let's go check that out. All right, we are in Radio Bar, and I can't even see. It's pretty small, but we're gonna have a drink and see what's next.
All right, so we just left Radio Bar. It was stank. Nobody, no. So we left, and we're going to the next place. It's called Intermezzo, and this is apparently the nice, hip DJ bar place. So we're gonna check it out.
We're bar hopping till the club opens. Friday night.
Macedonia. There's some good DJs. Yes. This is a good old school song that I love.
Yes. Well, it's filled up now. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's day 3.
Day
2. I think it's day 3.
Day 2.
If you count Thursday.
It's day 3.
It's day 3. We are headed to the main square to do a free walking tour. It's about 9:55 in the morning. We had a good night last night, bar and club hopping. Made it back in time to get up today to do a walking tour, so here we go. All right, we're on our way to the walking tour. Yep. Our pack of wild dogs on the tour with us, barking at everybody.
Everyone, every car, every motorcycle.
Not us, though.
Not us.
In the downtown Old Square area of Skopje on the old stone bridge. That's the Archeological Museum there, and the river, and the old fortress right over there. We got to the restaurant we're supposed to be eating at, the Macedonian National Kitchen, and it's closed. They let us make a reservation, but it's closed. Turkish tea shop and pastries. Looks super cute. Macedonian police station trying to get it. Right, we're getting our car duly noted. Even if there's not a guy in a booth, look up an SMS message sequence because the cops are telling us we didn't text them. Even though the guy wasn't in the booth, we should have texted them. So now here we are. We just paid $50 to get our car.
You know what though? It's much better than the United States. We would have gotten charged $300.
$300, yeah.
So
yeah.
$50 and a $2 cab ride for a mistake.
Our fault.
You know.
Well, we just had a delicious lunch at Distrikt.
We did.
Very nice place.
Birthday lunch.
As you've seen.
I think you're going to get tired of me wearing this puffer jacket. It's going to be in every video because it's, you know.
It's your jacket.
It's the jacket that we have.
And it's cold.
And it's cold.
So now we're at the Panoramika Hotel. They have a rooftop place, so we're going to go check that out.
It's been quite a day, quite a night. We've had rooftop dinners, a lot. There's a lot. A lot has happened.
Lunch.
You've seen the lot. Lunch, all of it. Now we're gonna go. Brandon's bringing me for my birthday dinner at, where are we at?
For restaurant.
For restaurant. So this is it. I'm excited.
Birthday ham.
Happy birthday to me. I wish for...
Oh.
You'll never know.
You'll never know, and I'll never tell.